Hi, it's Tamara here from the EFT Training Centre from Transformation for Women, here with my daily tapping to release fear about the coronavirus and the implications. It seems like an unprecedented situation in our world. It seems to be affecting people globally, which is it, it's a first, I think, well, probably since the Second World War, which was a completely different thing, but at least for my generation, it's a first for this level of extreme. And I went shopping yesterday, and it was like Christmas Eve doubled and tripled. It was so busy. But luckily, pretty much everything I wanted was available, so I could get all my fresh fruit and veg. Yes, there was hardly any pasta or tins left. No toilet paper, no hand san. And unfortunately, we've ordered some toilet paper from Amazon and it's arrived, but it's scented and it's absolutely disgusting. So I'm not really sure what we're going to do. When maybe we can find some non-scented toilet paper. So yeah, fear about shortages is definitely something that I've spoken to a lot of people about. And if you're watching and you've got any particular fears, do write them in the comments and I'll try and incorporate them into my tapping. So yesterday someone commented about the fact that the coronavirus is stopping people from flying, loved ones from flying to meet each other. She's got a partner in another country and she can't actually connect with them. So the implications are huge. It's hard to think like children studying won't be able to do their end of year exams, possibly. Um, every area of life it seems to be impacting. So um, today we're going to do some more tapping. So if there are any particular fears or anxieties that are coming up for you, do share them. So if you haven't done EFT before, it's like acupuncture for emotions without the use of needles. It stands for Emotional Freedom Techniques, and simply do what I do, say what I say, and if you don't like what I say or do, don't do it. But if you do tap along with me, you agree to take responsibility for your own well-being. So even though I have all this anxiety and fear, and I feel quite panicky, I just don't know what to believe. It's the weirdest, most bizarre thing I have ever come across. It's quite shocking and it's hard to digest the implications. And there are so many different schools of thought. And I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I feel scared, overwhelmed, panicky, worried, anxious about this virus, about getting ill, concerned for loved ones, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. All of these fears, all of this anxiety. What about the vulnerable people in my life? I'm scared for them. And they have to self-isolate. So how will they get access to the things they need? And what about the people who have no support network? All of this sadness for them. And all of this sadness for all these businesses that are struggling or will struggle. And people who are worried now about money. Fear for their future, fear for my future. People being made redundant, people being laid off, people with futures that are just changing in the moment, and all the children who will miss out on their education. I'm sure they're happy about it right now, but it's going to be hard. And feeling separated from people I love because they're in other countries, can't visit them, fear of being isolated and not having people to connect with. So many levels. Overwhelming to comprehend the enormity of all of this. And all I can do is tap. I'm tapping for me. I'm tapping for you. I'm tapping for my loved ones. I'm tapping for my community. I'm tapping for my country. I'm tapping for the world. I'm tapping for all of us. I'm acknowledging all of this right now. I can't change my environment, but I can change how I feel. And the more I can release all of this stress and worry, the more I can allow my body to have a stronger immune system, so that I can be strong for myself and strong for my loved ones, strong for my community, strong for the world. I want to feel even stronger than this. I want to feel invincible. With me. So I'm open to the possibility of finding a way of connecting with the energy of hope and the energy of trust, even if that seems difficult right now. The more I practice connecting with hope and with trust, the easier it will become. So just imagine if you could connect with the energy of hope and trust. What colour would that energy be right now? Just tuning into that colour. Tuning into the colour of hope and trust. I'm travelling back from, should have brought my glasses, from Ireland tonight. I'm concerned about distancing. Okay, all of Dermot's concerns about travelling. All of these worries. Fear of lockdown. Acknowledging all of those fears right now. And allowing an energy of trust. I want to feel trust that I am okay right now. just as I am. I want to feel trust that I will continue to be okay, and even better than okay. I want to feel trust that my loved ones are and will be okay. I want to feel trust that my community is and will continue to be okay, even more okay than it is right now. I want to trust that the world will get through this, and that somehow something good can come out of this. I want to feel that trust in every cell of my body. And if that trust had a colour, what colour would it be? I think for me, trust would be turquoise and gold. Turquoise and gold trust, infusing every cell of my body and every fibre of my being. Turquoise and gold trust, radiating out around me into my loved ones, into my friends and family. An abundance of gold and turquoise trust, infusing my community and my country and the world. I'm open to the possibility of magic and miracles, even if I don't know how that could possibly be. And just say transform and take a deep breath, transform. So please do watch this as many times as you need to. The more you can raise your vibration, the more you can help other people, and share it with other anxious friends as well. I've committed to coming on every day this week and doing a tapping round to release stress and worry and anxiety about the virus and everything to do with that. So do share in the comments if you'd like me to add something tomorrow. And keep tapping, keep strong. We can do it together. Bye.